slowly. Okay, students online, can you see the PowerPoint slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Okay, students in the classroom, yes, pay attention. Students in the classroom, Sudha, pay attention. Okay, good. So, tonnage merchandise. So, what I am trying to explain is, okay, so in the previous part, display areas, we learnt where merchandise is displayed in the store. Where? In this part, we are going to learn how that merchandise is displayed in the store to induce impulse buying behavior. So, this display of the merchandise or presentation of the merchandise is based on some theme. Okay, so first thing is tonnage merchandising. Okay, it is even used in apparel stores. Easy buy. If you go, there will be a big table in the front at the entrance itself, and all the cloths will be just poured into it. Shoes also they do it. Okay, even in Woodland I have seen, Bata I have seen. The moment you enter, there will be a table and all the merchandise simply kept there like a bunch. So that is nothing but tonnage merchandise. Okay, so generally this merchandise which is displayed through this technique is often for sale, means it is on discount, and generally kept at the entrance of the store. Even in more store I have seen this kind of a technique is used, but not always that merchandise is on discount. Okay, then first we discussed tonnage merchandising, and second is idea oriented presentation. So when we look at this, what do you feel? Which product or which merchandise is on sale here? Shirt, pant and shoes. Okay, yeah, students online, can you answer? Which products are displayed here for sale?
Shirts, shoes, sir.
Shoes, yes, very good. Shoes, then what you can see here? Pants are
Shirts,
there,
pants.
shirt, right? Okay, but dear
Yes, sir.
students, yeah, please everyone pay attention, even students in the class. Okay, shoes, pant, shirts are not displayed for sale here. The wardrobe is displayed for sale. Wardrobe. It is called wardrobe. What is it? A wardrobe. It is a furniture. A furniture is displayed for sale. But how it is displayed? They are kept some shirts, shoes, pants inside. It will give you a feel how it will look like if you purchase it and keep it in your home. That will increase the chances of purchase. Okay, this is called idea oriented presentation. Okay, if you go to IKEA furniture showroom, you are seen. I visited IKEA furniture showroom in Hyderabad along with your seniors. 100%. Every department we went, it was idea oriented presentation. For example, kitchen items. There is a kitchen created. Bedroom item, all the bedroom items, there is a bedroom created. Our students went and slept also for 1 minute. Okay, study room, living room, meeting room for corporate, you name it, it is arranged in same way. Balcony, for example, arranged in same way. Okay, so that is called idea oriented presentation. Okay, it will make you feel or understand how it will look if you purchase and keep it in your home. And also, okay, in apparel stores, if you go this time, November and December, they will display winter wear. There will be a mannequin. What they will do? Socks, jeans, then jacket, okay, or sweater, then gloves, cowl and muffler. And that is nothing but idea oriented presentation. So pay attention what kind of a impact such a presentation technique can have on consumer buying behavior. Okay, so for that I will share a video here. Okay, so students online, you lost your network connection trying to connect. Students online, can you hear me? No? Okay. But when I started the discussion, they said yes, they can hear me. What can be done for this? Slow. Reconnect, but how? Now if I sign out, not, then meeting will end or what? It will not end. Or refresh. Okay, see, because I had to log in, no, again. Okay, so students online, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll share a video. You have to tell me whether you can see the video and whether the audio is clear or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope more students, if they could have been there, they would have enjoyed also and understood the concept also. Now you cannot hear, right? Start. You know how to do it? Do it quick. But. You connected? Which music started? It's not my music. No. Lenovo HD. What is this? Okay, now it is not. Okay. 1 minute. So I'm sharing screen, right? You are presenting. Students online, can you hear me still?
Yes, sir.
Once I play the video, just let me know whether you can you see this now? This
Yes, sir.
window.
Yes, sir.
About audio, you tell me. Can you hear? Can you hear the audio?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Too low, sir.
Sorry?
Too low, sir.
Too low. But here I kept maximum volume. For speaker, 1 minute. Let me see if this helps anyway. Okay, now check and I'll pause again. How about now?
Too low, sir.
Still low, sir.
In your phone, can you increase the volume and check?
No, sir. Same. Hi, sir.
Okay. So is there any volume here? Here the sound is coming now. No. Okay, anyway, we'll play it and let's see what happens.
Rebecca,
Correct. Now
you
it
just
will
got a
come.
credit card bill of $900. You do not need a scarf.
Something is playing in the background.
Then again, who needs a scarf? Wrap some old jeans around your neck. That'll keep you warm. That's what your mother would do.
Pass.
You're right, she would.
The point about this scarf is that it would become part of a definition of your psyche.
Maybe.
Do you see?
No, I do. I keep talking.
Make your eyes bigger.
Look at the video and audio.
You'd make my haircut look more expensive.
You'd wear it with everything.
It would be an investment.
You would walk
Okay, leave it.
into the confident, poised.
Wait.
leave it. No, see, now I have paused it, then it is playing. It is not from that video. Okay, come back, it's okay. It's okay. No, but sound is not coming.
For them also.
You need to listen, the conversation is important. Okay, leave it, Sharon. Thank you. Come on. Hello, Akshay Pujari, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Okay, see, there is some problem here. Even in classroom, some song is playing. We don't know whether it is connected through some Bluetooth or in the background some app is running and audio from there it is coming. Okay. So anyway, so we'll conclude the class here. Okay. And merchandise presentation techniques. Two of them we learned. One is the tonnage merchandising. Second is idea oriented presentation. Okay. So remaining I will discuss in the next class. Okay, and maybe on Saturday, okay, your training will be usually after 10, correct? So I will conduct an extra class, 9 to 10. Okay. So if I engage one more session, 9 to 10 on Saturday, I will not be going for that option of recorded classes. Okay, I will be able to take all the classes live. Okay? Yeah. Okay. You heard me? Prashant, Prasad?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I am going to conclude the class, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good day to all of you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Welcome.